Hey, how's it going? We're back again in Duane, but it's tomorrow, and I'm no longer going into anaphylaxis. Sorry about that last video. It's gonna be really rough to watch. I had a peanut like I do every day, but this one just was worse. I don't know why. So, we're doing test 3, questions 1 and 2. We're answering questions based on pairs of points relations. So, A equals 3, negative 6, 2, 4, negative 1, 1, 0, 5. 5 looks like a 5. Negative 6, negative 2, negative 1, 3. Okay, those are our points. First question, state domain and range. So, domain is going to be x, the line x equals parentheses. So, we're looking for the first point in each pair, the 3, 2, negative 1, 0, parentheses there. And we're going from smallest to largest. So, x equals negative 6, negative 1, but it also appears twice, that's important. 0, 2, 3. Range, we're doing the exact same thing. But y equals smallest to largest, second point. I hope you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. Smallest to largest, second point in each pair. So, again, negative 6, negative 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. So that is A, that is the domain and range. Part B, determine whether given relation A is a function. It is not. No. Because for it to be a function, each x value has to create, each y value has to create an individual x value. So y is 3 and y is 1, those are two different values, but negative 1, negative 1. You can't have two x's. You can have two x's if they're both 1, if y is both 1 or y is both 3, but it's a 1 and a 3, it's two different numbers, so it is not a function. So that was question 1. Here's question 2. So we're going to be graphing. Nope, I need a little room to write stuff. Put the graph here. That's fine. What do you want? Let's go up to 7. We only need 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Label each point on the graph with the coordinate system. So the points are already there. The points are given. They're written in red. And they are there, there. So those are our points. Labeling them. This is 0, 5. 5 looks like a 5. 6, 4, 2, 0. 3, negative 6. Negative 2, negative 3. And negative 4, 2. Excuse me. Those are all of our points correctly labeled. next part, domain and range again. So okay, that's our domain, that's our range. That's not a lot of room. It might go off. The camera ends here, that's why I draw those dashes. I'll try to fit it in as best I can. So, domain, we are looking for the first half of each decimal point. That looks really bad. And we're going left to right, smallest to largest. So, -4, -2, 0, no, 0, yes. +2, +3, and 6. That's our domain. You can see that, right? You're also listening. You can see most of it. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Now, range, look for the second half, the second number in each parentheses, going bottom to top, smallest to largest. And we have -6, -3, 0, 2, 4, 5. -6, -3, 0, 2, 4, 5. Okay. Determine whether the relation is a function. It is. You could do it using numbers and these parentheses, but you also can do it using the graph. And the question is, does it pass the vertical line test? And it does. There are no 2 points, like no point is right above or right below one another. I can draw a line, one single flowing line. So that is question 1 and 2 on test 3.